Hi there, I'm Corey McCain, CEO of WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. The Client tab allows you to easily organize all of your clients, assign tags, build surveys, and so much more. Keep in mind that on most of our pages, the side menu is collapsible, so you have more space to work. To add clients, simply just click Add Client from this page or the drop-down menu. All you need to do is add their email and they'll receive an invite to sign up. They can then sign up for the mobile app or train.westrive.com. Invited clients will appear in the invited section until their invite is accepted. In order to edit an invite, just head to this page and you can change the name or email. To keep organized, you can select multiple clients and then assign them tags. You can use this method to make group programming easier or group together clients that all signed up for the same challenge. Let's click on a client's profile to get started. From your client's dashboard, you can instantly see your client's fitness compliance, aka how often they're following their workouts, and their task compliance, aka how often they're completing reminders like habits, surveys, and more. You'll be able to add a quick note to your client's profile, which will be kept private from your clients. See what tasks they've assigned for that day, check out their daily stats, and then of course, see a breakdown of their recent activities. From the calendar, you can easily assign client macros, drag and drop daily reminders like progress photos and surveys, edit workout plans, and more. Anything you change here will be immediately updated in your client's app. We'll start with Add Reminders, aka your client's to-do list. You can add reminders from the drop-down menu or from the calendar. In total, you can ask clients to weigh themselves, upload progress photos, schedule a message, ask them to try for a PR with a fitness test, ask for a measurement, assign a cardio goal, assign a habit, assign a survey, or assign a photo food journal request. So you have a ton of amazing options. You can even schedule these to repeat. For example, I want my client to weigh themselves once a week on Tuesday. I also would like progress photos from them, and then I want to send a "Hey, how are you feeling today?" survey. And we'll show you how to build that survey in just a second. I'll push weekly for Tuesday, and then I'll have this repeat for the next 6 weeks. And that's it. WeStrive will automate this process for me, and it will appear in my client's calendar instantly. Now, let's head to the side menu and build a habit. Habits are simple, and you just need to title it, give an emoji, and then decide whether or not you want a picture uploaded to prove the habit was completed. For surveys, you can add as many questions as you like, and the questions can be formatted as long answer, short answer, checkboxes 1 through 10, and more. From the mobile app, clients will answer questions one by one and see the survey on their calendar. Back in the reminders, once you've assigned a combination like a daily habit, a weigh-in, and a survey, you can even save it as a template for future use. It's that simple. From the Client Reminders dropdown, you can also see your templates listed right here. You can give the templates a description, edit them, and as you can see, they're automatically entered once you select them and the Add Reminders pop up. On the calendar page, you can also assign macro goals and track your client's nutrition results. Simply push the dropdown and select Nutrition Goal to get started. Let's add 3,000 calories, make it a high protein, low carb nutrition goal, and then have this set for Monday through Friday for the next 6 weeks. That's it. I just push save and WeStrive handles the rest. You instantly see the results reflected in your calendar, and your client will see them right on their calendar as well. Each day, as your client tracks their food in our partner app Lose It, you'll both begin to see the graph fill up, and from their calendar, you can actually see what food they've eaten as well. The Client Plans section will be a basic breakdown of what nutrition plans or fitness programs your client has been assigned. Look for the green Assign label to know which plan is currently active. If you want to delete or move around days in your client's program, we recommend doing it here from the plan instead of on the calendar. And if you have a new plan scheduled, all your client needs to do is push Complete Program in the app for the next program to start. Or you can do that here. From the progress section, you can track and graph personal records, cardio, measurements, nutrition, and even store progress photos for your client. In this section, you can add new records and create new types of cardio and measurements for your clients to track. From the Progress Photos tab, you can instantly take 2 progress photos and combine them. This will allow you to export them for your clients or for your social media highlights. From the billing section, you can see which bills are paid, pending, or overdue. In the settings, if a client is leaving for a few months or maybe just going on a quick vacation, then you definitely don't want to delete them, but you also don't want to have to pay for them as a client. That's when the archive feature comes in. You can also resend the email invite from here, but just so you know, your clients don't need the email. Once you've added them, all they need to do is just get the app and sign up with their email. If you have an active subscription with your client, you'll also find that here. The subscription can easily be canceled from this page. The last thing we'll cover is the pending section. From your My Business tab, you'll receive a free website. From the bottom of your site, you'll see an Apply button. Clients can apply to train with you by filling out a custom survey that you create. You can ask them things like, how often do you train, or what's your work schedule like? This section will allow you to get these questions out of the way ahead of time and keep you organized once the client applies. When someone applies, you'll receive an email and see a number on the Pending tab. From the Pending tab, you'll select Go to Onboarding and can review their answers. If you approve of their answers, then simply select Approve on the previous page to add them as a client. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.